50 years ago, Chinese loaders were prepared to take off. 50 years later, China topped the world in terms of manufacturing and sales of loaders. The highest annual sales amount has exceeded 200,000 sats. What's particularly worth being remembered is that the sales amount of homemade large tonnage loaders has exceeded that of overseas brands, which have occupied Chinese market for many years. The leader of the battle is XCMG, the top brand in China's engineering machinery field. In 2010, the first 12-ton loader in China, XCMG LW1200K, was launched. It has won 2 industrial top awards successively, pushing China's loader technology to the global frontier. Nine advantages and international quality. Most varieties. With profound industrial technological accumulation, XCMG is the only enterprise in China that has developed all varieties of large tonnage loaders from 6-ton to 12-ton. Leading technologies. 23 patented technologies and a plurality of XCMG core technologies with high temperature, dust, moist, corrosion, and 24-hour high load operation as development background. XCMG large tonnage loaders have major performance parameters superior to homemade products of the same type, satisfying high intensity and long duration uninterrupted operation. Heavy structure. All XCMG large tonnage loaders adopt heavy load frames with complete machine about 1 ton heavier than products of the same type. The boom is made of high-intensity steel sheets, while the rocker arm seat beam is made of alloy. The bucket is made of special high-intensity and wear-resistant plates. Heavy load transmission. XCMG LW600K is used together with XCMG heavy load power-controlled fixed axle gearbox and wet heavy load drive axle with European technology. Core technologies such as drive axle cooling self-loop and independent brake chamber are adopted, satisfying construction in tough work conditions. All loaders over 7 tons adopt first-class imported gearboxes, drive axles, and hydraulic components to guarantee high-intensity, uninterrupted operation. Accurate control. Composite brake technology is adopted, which saves energy and reduces consumption. Robust performance. XCMG-K large tonnage loaders surpass products of the same type in terms of strength and efficiency. The traction, excavation, and vertical tipping of 6-ton to 12-ton products are superior to the same type of products of 1-ton to 3-ton. Duration of all 3 items is 1 second shorter than that of products of the same type. Comfortable operation. The working hydraulic system provides the flow needed to various systems correctly via differential pressure compensation, 6 connecting rod linkage, and swing arm suspension technology, and the drive stability and operation comfort are meanwhile improved. Home leading luxurious driving cab is spacious with sound seal performance, low noise, and wide view. All products are provided with audio devices, air conditioners, and pilot control. Driving and operation are easy and comfortable. Drive safety. Large structural part with an inducing buffer protector is adopted to avoid breakage due to concentrated stress, meeting requirements of CE. The electronic rear view system expands scope of view remarkably. Easy maintenance. Advanced GPRS and GPS communication and positioning technologies are adopted to share monitoring information, failure information, oil consumption, position and operation status with users in a timely manner through mobile phone and internet, which is convenient and efficient. All products adopt centralized pressure measurement. All lubricant feeding points are induced centrally and selectable. XCMG large tonnage loaders, represented by LW1200K, are well received in mining, port and coal industries for their outstanding products, reliable quality, and quality services. XCMG large tonnage loaders are the main force in major markets in China, such as Lianyungang, Dafeng Port, Huolin River Large Open Mine, Qianan Iron Mine, and Yunnan Phosphate Chemical, etc. Meanwhile, supported by a state-covered sales service network, XCMG will provide nanny services for mass clients, dedicated personnel, specialized spare parts warehouse, and dedicated service vehicles for smooth construction.
这些产品完全可以跟国外的一些进口品牌相比，性价比特别好，特别适合我们港口企业的产用、转货、装车。
这个马力大，这是很重要的。所以说我们这个锂矿地上，我们港口发展，它起了绝对引领作用。
厂家的售后服务做得相当不错，
有什么问题马上就来处理，这对我们这边的工作是个相当大的支持。
下一次我们还继续购买虚工的产品。
In China, XCMG has already exceeded other brands at home and abroad in terms of annual sales of large tonnage loaders, topping the industry with distinct advantages and becoming the first choice in China. In the world, XCMG large tonnage loaders have vigorously entered many countries, building a new image of Chinese loaders. XCMG leads loader technological development in China for outstanding technologies and high quality.